Okay, so this is how you add pages sa website mo. Basically, nag-install tayo ng duplicate page plugin. No? We're gonna be just duplicating mga pages natin which are found here. Okay, ito yung mga different pages. Again, ito yung all pages. Nandito yung lahat ng pages of your site. Okay, and if you want to add additional page, what we want to do is duplicate lang. Okay, duplicate an existing page so that makuha niya yung layout, lahat ng layout of your site. And then what you need to do, if you click this, duplicate this, no, you'll be able to see naka-draft yung bagong page mo. Okay, what you want to do is quick edit mo, rename it to your preferred page name, and then publish mo. Okay, so once you're able to publish, you'll be able to see the page and then edit with Elementor ka lang. And then you do yung ano natin, how to edit your WordPress template na video.